Hey everybody, day number 4. So here we are. You have 3 shapes under your belt. The simple circle, the teardrop petal, and the curved petal. So today we're going to use a basic diamond shape, a perfectly symmetrical diamond today, and we're going to curve off the edges and we're going to create the diamond leaf, or it could also be a diamond petal. So another simple shape, and grab your pen and pencil and let's get going. So now that you have worksheet number 4 printed out and in front of you, let's see what we have to work on today. So we're starting today with a basic diamond shape, different than the petal. Let's get going on this. Here on worksheet number 4, I'm showing you a basic symmetrical diamond shape. But what we're going to do with it is we're going to round off the edges so that we form a little bit more of an organic shape, and it creates either a nice leaf, which is what I've called it, or it could even be a petal. We're keeping the point at the top and the bottom, but we're rounding off the sides of it. So there's lots here to trace. Now we're going to turn it into a flower, so we're using it like a petal. In this instance, I have nothing in the center, and here I have them touching in the center. Because of the shape, it all depends. Sometimes they can't touch in the center. Here I have them touching at the sides, and therefore the centers won't be touching. It all depends on your placement of these and how wide they are. They're a little trickier because if you're going for symmetry, you're going to draw them a little bit different each time. So hand-drawn, of course, again, is about the unique look of everything looking a little bit different. Another way we can make them look a little irregular or different is we move the sides up or down so that the width either is wider at the bottom, in this instance, or we can also make it wider at the top, such as in this instance. We're still keeping the point at the top and the bottom and rounded at the edges, but we're just changing the location of the axis, basically, if you want to get into geometry about it. And that is how you can create a little bit different of a diamond leaf. Now, to use it as an actual leaf, we're going to put it on a stem. So I draw just a simple curvy, slightly S-shaped line, and that's my stem. And then I put these diamond leaves all along the stem, just touching it. You can even make them float up in space as well. That's another design concept. And I'll emphasize again that even though the shapes I'm giving you are symmetrical on the page, it's to help you get the feel for them. When you draw them yourself in a hand-drawn style, they're going to come out unique each time. The more you draw the shape, the more familiar it will become to you. So now that you have some of these ideas in place, let's pull out your sketchbook and try working with some of your own ideas. Have fun with these and let your imagination go. Your sketchbook is just for you, so don't judge what you draw in it, just draw lots. Tomorrow, we'll work on a new shape. We'll see you then.